Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you Monday.com how to show Subitem summaries in parent items. We'll start on your Monday.com home. From here, open the board you'll be working in. I'm opening a sample project so you can follow along easily, but any board with items and sub-items will work the same way. On the board, pick a parent item that already has sub-item systems. To reveal them, click the small arrow to the left of the item name. That arrow expands the subitems directly beneath the parent row so you can see the detailed tasks that roll up into the main item. With the subitems visible, look across the subitems area for the status column. On the header of that status column, hover your mouse to reveal the three-dot menu. This is the column menu that controls how the data behaves and displays. Click those three dots to open the options. In the menu, choose Show Summary on Parent Item. The moment you turn this on, Monday.com creates a compact summary on the parent row for that column. This gives you a quick, at-a-glance view of how the subitems are progressing without needing to expand them every time. It's perfect for keeping stakeholders informed while you work at the subitem level. To see it in action, click any subitem's status and pick a status label. As you update the subitems, the parent item will immediately reflect the current state with a clear visual summary. This helps you spot bottlenecks, understand progress, and report status without digging into every detail. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the three-dot menu, move your cursor over the status column header and it should appear. If the arrow to expand subitems isn't visible for an item, that usually means there aren't any subitems under that parent yet. Also, turning on Show Summary on Parent Item doesn't change your data. It simply adds a visual roll-up so the parent item mirrors what's happening in its subitems. And if you ever want to turn the summary off, just return to the same three-dot menu and toggle it back. That's it. You've enabled subitem status summaries on the parent item, making it much easier to track progress at a glance. Use this whenever you want the parent row to tell the story of its subitems without extra clicks. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough as you set it up on your own board.